Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is replacing the Lexus NX engine air filter. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up at the end. And for this video, I'll be filming using my Lexus NX 350H. It's a 2024 model. However, for this engine air filter replacement, that will work on other Lexus NX models as well too. So it has to be the second generation. So I just wanted to mention that to be clear. Okay, so I like to recommend you use the Lexus OEM filter because it have more pleats than some of the other ones out there, and that's the part number 17801 77050. So this one you only could buy at a Lexus Toyota dealer, and it has a lot of pleats. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to remove the old filter by unlatching the clips on the enclosure. So where are these clips? Well, you can see these clips are on the top over here. It's very easy to do, just two of these clips over here in particular, and you're gonna have to slide the unit up. So because right now it's actually catching on the bottom over there. So what you do is push this over here like that and push that one up. Let's see if I can show you pushing it up. Push like that. There we go. Then okay, so slide the cover up on the top enclosure. So you can see that it's catching over here. You want to slide it up, and I'm trying to do it one-handed because I'm holding the camera on the other hand. And there it is. That's how you take the filter out. So after you see the filter, you want to remove the filter and inspect it and see if it needs replacement. So that is still the same part number. You can verify that. You want to hold it against the light. So I'm holding against the fluorescent light in my place, and you can see it's very clean still because I only had 9,000 miles. Probably want to check it again at 30,000 miles or so. Yes, it's getting a little bit dirty, but it's not there yet. So in this case, I'm gonna reuse it. So my vehicle only has about 9,000 miles. And want to check also any debris in the enclosure housing. If there's leaves or anything like that, you probably want to get those out before you put the filter back in. So I have to put the camera down to put it back in because it's hard to squeeze in. Okay, once you put the filter back into its enclosure housing, notice that it has to be flat. It's not an angle or anything like that. So next, you want to slide the cover and relatch the clips on the top of the enclosure. So I'm going to slide this thing down, just like that. Make sure it's aligned, double check everything. Then you're going to relatch the clips over here. So I'm trying to do a left-handed here. Just like that, that's one. And you're trying to get this one as well too. Just like that. So there you go. So that's how you change or check the engine air filter, and it should not be loose or anything. That the enclosure cover should be flat. You can wiggle a little bit, and that's all to it. So now you know how to replace the engine air filter in your vehicle. Replace, change, remove, install, all those things. You know how to do it. It's a simple process on the Lexus NX. Hopefully this video helped you save some money and some time. Hopefully you help me out for thumbs up, comment to share, please leave below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.